Hey everyone, it's Darlene here, and today I'm going to be showing you how I created this eye look using this beautiful palette right here. And these shades are the shades that I am using in this look. So if you'd like to see how to get it, just keep watching. So I'm going to take Lunar Eclipse and I'm going to work that shade into my crease. And then I'm going to bring it on the top of my eyelid as well. And as you can see, I already did the rest of the makeup, so this is just an eye look. I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other eye. So this shade is a little blotchy as well. It's just not, it's not really smooth and buttery. It's really dry and just like, they're a lot harder to work with and to build up. I think a lot of people are raving about this because it is a YouTuber's makeup line, and I think that, you know, they feel that they have to support the YouTuber by saying that their makeup's great, but this is not the best palette, especially for the price. They're just like, the only shade I really like is this shade, and it's because it's a shimmer. But the rest of these, like just the matte shades, are really blotchy. I don't know if you can tell. It's just like lacking pigmentation. Okay, and then I'm going to take Storm Dust and I'm going to work that in the outer corner and then bring it on the outer corner of the eyelid. This shade doesn't seem to be as bad. This one's a little smoother. I think out of all the shades I've tried, out of the mattes, this one's the best. You can see it's not really blotchy like the other shade. And then I'm going to take Storm Dust and I'm going to work it underneath the outer corner of my eye, like on the lower lash. And then I'm going to take Fireball with my finger and I'm going to apply this on my lid, just like the inner part, like right through here in the center, and then bring it to the inner corner. If you're really looking for a beautiful fall palette, the Morphe 360 palette is about 19, I think it's like 21 with taxes and everything. But that palette is really pretty and it has a lot of similar shades, and it's actually cheaper, and they're buttery shades and really easy to work with because this is not the best formula. So in case you're looking for options with beautiful shades like this. So I'm going to take a flat angled brush and I'm going to take the shade Black Matter and I'm going to work that, I'm going to wet it and then work it on the outer quarter of my eye. Then I'm going to do the same thing to my other side. And I'm only bringing it halfway in. I'm not bringing it to the very corner of my eye. The name Black Matter just reminds me of The Flash. I've been watching The Flash and it actually talks a lot about black matter. Okay, and then I'm just using a flat brush and I'm going to use the liquid to wet my thing again. And I'm going to use that Eternal Light on the inner corner of my eye. It's right here. Add a little pop of color, and I'm going to actually put that on my brow bone as well. It's not the best color for a brow highlight just because it has a lot of chunky glitter in it. Then I'm going to add some mascara and I'll be right back. I'm going to use Jaune Bleu and just use this in my waterline. And then I'm going to use the Dose of Color in Flirty. This shade looks so pretty with these like more bold looks just because it is so neutral and just like really pretty. It's a great fall color. And I'm going to put on a little bit of highlight. And I'm using the Laura Geller highlight just for extra pop. So this is the final look. And yeah, so that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye, God bless.